Subtract t cubed minus 0.3t squared minus 20 minus the quantity t to the fourth minus 1.5t cubed plus 0.3t squared minus 11. To subtract two polynomials, we leave the first polynomial as is, so t cubed minus 0.3t squared minus 20, and now we write the opposite of each of the numbers in the each of the terms in the second polynomial, so that would be minus t to the fourth plus 1.5t cubed minus 0.3t squared plus 11. Now we look to combine like terms. There's only one t to the fourth term, so we begin with that so that we can write them in descending order. We have a t cubed and a t cubed. We combine the coefficients, so it would be plus, in parentheses, 1 plus 1.5 t cubed. For t squareds, we have t squared there and a t squared there. We combine their coefficients. In parentheses, then we would have negative 0.3, minus 0.3, and that's all in front of t squared. Let's see, the next term would be a t term, but there are no t terms, so we go to the constants of negative 20 plus 11 for negative 9. Simplifying in the parentheses, we have negative t to the fourth stays the same. 1 plus 1.5 is 2.5t cubed. Negative 0.3 minus 0.3 is negative 0.6t squared. The minus 9 remains the same, so our answer is negative t to the fourth plus 2.5t cubed minus 0.6t squared minus 9.